Hey everyone, this is The Money Mindset, where we make finance fun and simple. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, how to buy your very first stock. Whether you're looking to invest in your favorite company or just curious about how the stock market works, this video will walk you through everything you need to know to get started. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, let's jump right in. Firstly, what is a stock? Think of it like this. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. Now, here's how you actually buy one. Step 1. You need a brokerage account. This is like a bank account, but for stocks. There are tons of apps out there like Robinhood, webull, or Fidelity, etc. Step 2. Fund your account. This just means transferring some money from your bank so you can start buying stocks. Step 3. Pick your stock. Here's a tip. Start with companies you know and love. Think about brands you use every day. Step 4. Place your order. You'll see options like market order or limit order. For beginners, a market order is usually the easiest. This just means you're buying the stock at its current price. Here's the cool part. Once you've bought your stock, you're officially an investor. But remember, the stock market can go up and down, so don't panic if your stock loses value for a bit. Investing is a long game. And here's a pro tip. Start small. You don't need to invest all your savings at once. Begin with an amount you're comfortable with and learn as you go. And that's it. You've just learned how to buy your first stock. It's easier than you thought, right? If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips on personal finance and investing.